How to transfer money from Revolut to bank account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you a quick and easy way to transfer your money from Revolut to bank account. Let's just get started. First off, open up Revolut app on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. And to be able to transfer money from Revolut to bank account, you need to have certain balance already existing on your Revolut account. From there, at the bottom, you can find the navigation bar. Just tap on the Payments tab. Once you head over to Payments, all you have to do now is find the plus icon at the top right corner of your screen. You can tap on that, and you'll find the Transfer tab from there. On the Add New option, you have a Revolut friend, then bank recipient, and card recipient as well. Tap on the bank recipient option on the second. Now you just have to fill out your account details about the receiving account or receiving bank account, and then tap on Next. Then you can review your transfer and get to the summary page. Once everything looks good, tap on Next and tap on Send. Then you should be good to go. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.